Working for you, we're bringing you the outlook for the 2022-2023 winter season. It has been a fast start for snow, already logging about 3 inches in Indianapolis in the month of November. Well, that seems like nothing compared to what Buffalo just received, but it's an above normal start for Indy. But Kevin, you know of one event that serves as a benchmark for all winter seasons here in Indy. Tell us about that.
It is still the measuring stick by which all Indiana winter storms are judged. The first ever blizzard warning, January 25th, 1978, 31 hours straight, leading to 15.5 inches of snow. There was epic drifting, and it was the wind, those 50-mile-per-hour gusts that dropped visibilities to a quarter mile or less for 25 hours and single-digit temperatures. It's not every day you see that skiing on Meridian Street. So let's talk about some other extremes here, both with a lot of snow and very little. You go back to 2013-14, you probably remember that, just from December, January, and February, over 50 inches of snow. And then we had a winter that had 0.02 of an inch of snow. That's what can happen. This is what typically happens. Half a foot during the month of December. Our snowiest month is January. Then we back off just a little bit in February. Kyle Mounce has more on the variables at play for this winter.
Kevin, two of the biggest pieces of our winter weather puzzle are La Nina and El Nino. Each year, we look to which one of these will dominate and play a key role in our weather pattern for the upcoming season. And for the third year in a row, La Nina will be a major influence. A La Nina pattern has to do with the trade winds over the Pacific Ocean. Now, in an average year, those winds push the warm surface waters toward Asia. A La Nina pattern, though, develops when those winds are stronger than usual and bring the cooler water to the surface in the eastern portions of the Pacific Ocean. When this happens, the steering winds for storm systems shift to the north, and this usually means we end up in a wetter, more active weather pattern across central Indiana. La Nina, though, isn't the only key to the winter outlook. There are several other short-term weather patterns that can have a big influence on our weather. One example of those is the Arctic Oscillation, or the AO for short. When the AO is in a positive state, the cold air tends to stay bottled up to the north. When it goes negative, that opens the door for cold air to pay a visit to a large chunk of the U.S. If this phase lines up with a storm system, it could be a recipe for snow across the Hoosier State. So there are many factors we look at for the winter outlook, and Kevin has more on how all of these pieces of the puzzle could fit together for us this winter.
And Kyle mentioned the recipe. Let's talk about the finished product. The signal is not strong, but typically in these situations we end up with normal to slightly above normal temperatures. Now, precipitation, that is by far the strongest signal that we see in these patterns for above average precipitation, but often we see mixed events. And as Kyle showed you, if that cold air can come down and catch the moisture, we can have some big snows. We had 8 inches last February as that did occur. But in general, in these patterns, we have less than average snowfall. Average is in the lower 20s for annual snowfall. Looks like maybe 15 to 20 inches of snow this winter.